Hey, what's up guys? It's me Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we're making this red wine fig sauce. Let's get started guys, and as usual, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now for this recipe, you're going to need some red wine, of course. You can either use Shiraz or Merlot for this recipe, honey. Those two would work perfectly well. You're gonna add 1 cup of red wine in your pan, honey. I used a half a cup measure, that's why I added 2. And you're also going to add a half a cup of white granulated sugar. That's 125 ml. You're gonna stir the sugar into the wine until it has dissolved. You wanna use low heat. The stove that I was using goes up to a 6, so I was using heat between 4 and 3. You want to simmer this on low heat so that it doesn't burn, honey. Instead, it would just reduce and thicken so beautifully. Once the sugar has dissolved, you're gonna go ahead and let the sauce thicken up or reduce, honey. Once in a while, you want to stir it up just to check that it's not burning. So once you see the bubbles rapidly bubbling, you're gonna go ahead and add your figs. Now I did cut my figs in half, and you're going to add them facing down. Then you're just going to continue coating them on top. You're not gonna mix or turn them anyhow, honey. You just want them to suck up all that juice. One thing to know when your sauce is ready is when it coats your spatula completely. So I'm gonna show you now. Just like that. Once you see that the sauce coats your spatula completely, honey, you know that your sauce is ready. And please do remember that the longer your sauce sits, it will thicken and become jam, and you can use it in an array of desserts. That's it for now guys. I hope you stay tuned, and I'll show you how to use the sauce in different desserts. I'll see you on the next one.